Hey. Alright, I'm here. Okay, why am I here? This is another new 转左，走到后面。Okay, yeah, as I was saying, I'm here because of one of the affiliated brand that I'm partnering with since 2015, right? They have relocated to another new office, right? And it's also in a commercial district area in Singapore, right? So here we go. Let me show you. So today is the first day, not yet the grand opening yet. It will be happening on this Friday, right? Okay, so let me flip the camera over and walk you through. Not everything is okay, as I was saying, right? Not everything is ready yet. So over here, very nice pilot area. So let's take a walk down. Okay. Right, okay. Looks very modern. Very nice. Okay, let's walk further down. And it's at unit 13th floor, 02. Okay, so there you are. Right, this our famous logo for this affiliated brand. Okay, and here you are, as you can see, right? So this will be, okay, that area in front of you would be actually the place where you're going to buy the products and collect, and also for collection. And on further down across the room, there are all the officers, and then, okay, what will be most, the usage level for us, right, as a brand affiliate, right, would be the one right in front of there, right? That would be a place whereby you can meet your clients or your team, right? Okay, so at this moment, it's not totally ready yet, and I've actually asked the staff that in future, that after the operation hours, right, for buying products, which is 7:30 will be official, the time will be closed for buying products over the counter. But the thing is that the workspace will still be open for people like ourselves, being an affiliate with the brand, right? We can still continue to be using that workspace, right? You can do your live streaming or whatever it is over there, right, as usual until 10 p.m. as compared to the other side of, as compared to the old office. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you. And anyway, the grand opening will be this Friday, 1st of August. Okay, so I will see whether I can make time to come back here, and the event will be holding on the 7:30 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. right, on the Friday, 1st of August. Okay, so look forward to my next update in this new, the brand affiliate, right, this showroom. Okay, yeah, that's the right word, showroom. Okay, so I will see you in my next video update. Okay, now I'm back to the ground floor area, and in fact, the ground floor area, as compared to the old office, probably the most attractive spot, right? The ground floor would be Bawang Cha Ji, right? Yes, that is the one, Bawang Cha Ji. Alright, okay. So of course you can have other cafes as well, and I'm not sure yet to explore the upper floor. This apparently seems to be a new building, right? So there will be, I think, it will be a wonderful place for us to hang out and also bring our guests, or things like that. But nonetheless, it is what it is right now. I'm also new here, and okay, right. Okay, now the only inconvenience is this, that at the security counter, right, we have to scan in, and they will provide us with a security barcode. Okay, they will provide us a security barcode, and after they will send you a unique link, right, to your registered smartphone number, right, and there from that link you can activate it, right, and thereafter you will proceed to something like this. Okay, you'll proceed to this gantry. Scan the barcode here, enter, and only designated lift will go to the 13th floor. Okay, right. One of my favorite coffee brand, right now it's actually not ready for business, I think, because this is a new place. Okay, there you are. Here's the barcode. Will be on the counter, right? Okay. So as of now, this is the update I'm giving you. I hope this is useful for you, right? And I look forward to, bringing you here together with me, right, to enjoy the facilities as a brand affiliate. Okay. And for those of you that would like to actually have this kind of resources to support you as in affiliate marketing industry, right? So do connect with me and comment below this video, right? Affiliate, and I will reach out to you. Alright, I will see you in my next video update.